NARS always says bronzing powder makes the skin look healthy and glowing. NARS iconic bronzing powder now comes in a beautiful new packaging and additional shades. So I'm going to start with the bronzing powder, and this is in the iconic shade Laguna. I'm going to use circular motions and buff it into the skin. I love using the bronzing powder to enhance the look of naturally tan skin. So it just gives a really beautiful golden shimmer effect, which just makes the skin look really radiant, especially the top of the forehead, around the top of the cheekbone. I also like to do the bridge of the nose. Just buff it in just to make sure you don't see any lines. You want it to look very natural. So the bronzer is very buildable and long-lasting, and I love to layer it for a really beautiful tan glowy effect. I'm using the iconic Laguna shade, but it also comes in 3 other shades, so it complements a wide variety of skin tones.